This is the Yi Smart DashCam. The 165-degree wide-angle camera records at 1080p at 60 frames per second to capture the important details from every angle. It features ADAS, the Advanced Driving Assistance System. It provides real-time lane departure and frontal collision warnings to keep you safe on the road.
Here is the VAVA DashCam, and this is what happens when you don't use it.
Lady, what are you doing?
What am I doing? You just backed up into me.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you did.
Prove it.
Did anybody see this?
Did you know that a car accident happens every 3 minutes, every day? Which is why we built the VAVA Dash, a dash camera designed for drivers everywhere.
Whether your car is on or off, the VAVA Dash is there to protect.
Hello, ma'am. I saw you were on the phone.
Oh, no, I wasn't on the phone.
Can you prove it?
It's always recording when you're driving. Automatically record any unexpected activity when you're away from the car.
Oh, milk duds.
Swivel it 360 degrees to capture every angle and shot with ease. Videos can be captured on the VAVA Dash mobile app and uploaded to Facebook or sent via email.
What's going on, folks? It's TJ back with SpyTech. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the A119 dash camera. The A119 is a versatile dashboard camera that offers top-of-the-line recording and a host of cutting-edge features. For its price, this is one of the best dash cams on the market, giving you enhanced functionality and higher quality recording than its competitors. With the A119, you can be sure you'll stay protected on the road from irresponsible drivers and false claims. As you can see, the A119 is a small and sleek device that won't obstruct your view or take up a lot of the windshield space when you're driving. On the front of the unit, you have the 2-inch LCD screen along with buttons to turn the device on, access the menu, and manage camera settings. The other side contains the camera lens as well as a mounting surface that uses adhesive material to attach directly to the windshield. Ports are located on either side for the micro SD card, USB, and AV out access. Now, because of the size and design, the A119 is hard to detect from the outside of your car. The camera records HD video in an incredible 1440p resolution at 60 frames per second, capturing every detail clearly without skipping or blurring. Features exceptional low light performance, so even at night you'll see everything in a crisp definition, and the camera's 160-degree wide-angle lens ensures that the entire road in front of you is included in frame. Now, in terms of memory storage, the device can hold up to 7 hours of high-definition footage on a 64GB card. And with the convenient auto on and off feature, you'll save memory by only recording when the engine is running. The loop recording feature makes sure that when the memory card does fill up, the camera keeps going by overwriting the old data. Now, one of the A119's most unique features is the rotatable camera lens. Unlike traditional dash cameras with their fixed lenses, the lens on this device is on a moving axis. It allows it to move up and down as well as side to side. This makes setting your view angle on the go way easier and allows you to make sure that you're getting the right shot. Now, because the A119 operates on capacitor power, you get several advantages over battery-powered devices. It's much more reliable than a battery and won't fail or lose its ability to hold a charge in the way that batteries typically do. Capacitors can also withstand more extreme temperatures, so you don't have to worry about the camera overheating after long use on a hot day. Now, for even more functionality, there are a couple of optional accessories that can be added to the A119. A CPL lens filter that reduces windshield reflections and glare, giving you clearer video, and a GPS module which turns the device into a basic GPS logger with safe driving alerts. So if you're looking to incorporate first-rate video surveillance into your vehicle, it doesn't get much better than the A119. It's a one-of-a-kind device that delivers excellent quality footage, plenty of great features, all at a reasonable price.